Hello guys, and welcome back to another session of VMBNP videos. So today I'll be teaching you how you can root your Lenovo IdeaTab A1000, the Indian version. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. Yeah, and this is how it looks. So this is the SIM card slot, and this is the SD card slot. Yeah, and as you can see, it looks familiar. So let's get started. So considering that the tab is switched off and it is not switching on, and you're stuck with the phone, and you need to do something to get rid of it. And so let's get started, and let me show you how you can make your tablet proper even if it isn't working proper. So in the description below I have left a link, so just open that and download this file. After you've extracted it, it should look somewhat like this. So just open it, and it will contain these files. So first we need to install the drivers for the tablet. So let's go ahead and do that. So first one is this. Okay, I'm sorry, it's this one, driver, and go to install driver. And when it asks for this, click yes, and as you can see, it shows install USB driver for Microsoft Windows 7 Home Premium successfully. Okay, so if you're using a 64-bit, then you need to install this one. Yeah, so let's go back, and if you want to install drivers for anything, this is what will help you, PDA-net. So just open that up. Yes, next, you accept it, next. So we'll just wait for this to install. So it shows that installing USB driver. And it asks please select yes, and click others. Okay, then it shows installing USB driver. So we'll just wait for this to get installed. Yeah, so this asks you please enable USB debugging on your Android phone and connect it under settings. Okay, so if your tablet is in a working condition, then switch it on, and then switch on the tablet and connect it to your PC, and this will install the drivers for your tablet. Okay, so we'll skip this for now, and setting up the network drivers. So let this be done. Yeah, so it's done now. So once PDA-net is installed, it installs all the drivers on your PC for the required phone. So just okay. So let's get started. So there's this thing called SP Flash tool in your PC, which you have downloaded. Open that, and this file Flash tool. So just open that, and if you want to boot to a stock ROM, then the stock ROM is being given, and if you are going to an Allegro ROM, which is the only ROM available for this device, then you can use this. So this in this video I'll be focusing on the IdeaTab A1000G, which is the Indian version. So so it's mostly based on the G, Idea A1000G, but it can this method also works on A1000T. So so open the SP Flash tool. Yeah, it's running. So here we go, and then it asks you to and then this is how it looks like. So let's do this scatter loading, and then go to desktop and open your file stock ROM and select this file and open it. Once you do that, this is what's going to happen. it's gonna select up all the files, and it will get ready for flashing it on your tablet. So here's the USB wire, and let's connect it to the tablet now. So remember guys, first you need to click download on your PC, and once you click download, then go back to your tab, plug the wire in, and press the volume down button or the volume up button. Okay, so first let's go ahead and click download here. So once we've done that, it shows here searching. So when it shows searching, go ahead and take your wire and plug it in and press the down button, and as you can see, it just got connected. And so okay guys, so as you can see that it shows an error. So once when it shows an error, then let's just unplug the device, and then click on firmware upgrade, and then connect the tablet again and press the down button, and as you can see that it's got connected, and this is what happens. And your tab, as you can see, remains switched off. So it takes some time doing this flashing work. So we'll just wait for this to happen. And guys, as we all know that we have been facing a lot of storage problems on this tablet. So if you're facing too many problems of storage and all that, what you can do is you can either download link to SD and link all your applications to the SD card. Otherwise, there are many other ways which I'll be telling you in this video. So you can work on with that. And as we all know that Lenovo has actually rolled out an update for our A1000. So we need to download that and upgrade our device, and then go to a custom ROM if we are going to a custom ROM, because once we go to the custom ROM, then the Lenovo updates will no longer be supported. So we'll just wait for this to get installed, and in the meantime, let's download the root tool. So we'll just let this keep happening. Keep your device connected, and don't try to shake the wire, because sometimes if you shake the wire, you know that the connection just abruptly stops and doesn't work out. So just minimize this. So as we can see that it's still flashing. It takes a long time. So we have to wait for it, don't have any other choice. And yeah, guys, if you are looking for another Lenovo A1000. For example, if you're using another version of a Lenovo A1000, it's not the G version or the T version, because there are three versions actually. One is the G version, and one is the T version, and there's one more version, and I forgot the name for that. So you can flash them in the similar way through SD Flash tool, but you need to get your stock ROM and Allegro ROM for that device. So you'll have to find out that and research on it. So for a root tool, let's just quickly download the Kingo root. So just go to Kingo root, and this is just the first website. So here we go. Just click download for Windows, and I already have it installed, so I won't be downloading it again. But you can go ahead and install it. I think this is 100% complete now. So so when we see this green circle, that means everything is worked out successfully and we can boot up our device now. So let's just close all this, and now unplug your tablet, and let's switch it on. So it's booting up. Yeah, so as we can see, we are on the stock ROM now. So just quickly go ahead and so so as we can see, this is the stock ROM. Okay, so now just a second, I'll just switch on the mobile data. Yeah, so yeah, now as you can see that it's running on the stock ROM, and as you can see, it comes pre-rooted, which we do not want. The reason why we do not want it to be rooted as of now is uh, I'll tell you. I'll just tell you the reason. Just go down to About Tablet and do the system update, and as you can see that there's a system update. Okay, so we need to download the system update. The reason why we need to download the system update is because as if we go to your applications and see, the space is just 380 MB and 123 MB is used. So we can see that. So and yeah, so that's one of the main reasons why we face storage problems, but this is solved by Lenovo, as I told you earlier. So go to About Tablet, System Update, and even if you download this and you try to upgrade your device, it is not going to work. The reason why it won't work is because Lenovo has actually found out that your device is rooted and it won't let you install an update. So let's quickly unroot the device first. So let's just plug in the wire. So it shows connected as media device. And now Kingo root. Now this is where the Kingo root comes in the use. So after you download it and installed it, then just open it. and then it shows you that it's ready to update, so just update it later. Yeah, so it's connecting your device, and it requires a device to be it requires your device to have USB debugging connected, and if it is not connected in USB debugging mode, then just go to settings quickly, go to developer options, switch it on, and tick the first option. And yeah, so after you've picked the first option, it's just that. And as you can see that Kingo root has connected the Lenovo Idea tab A1000G. So it shows that it's already rooted because it's showing remove root and root again. So we'll just and your tablet would look somewhat like this now. Okay, so let's remove the root. We'll just wait for this to happen. So it takes a while, but it does the work. Yeah, so remove root has succeeded. So now let's quickly turn on our tablet and check that out. So, yeah, so and yeah, the application which Kingo root installs, it's actually you can uninstall it if you want to. I won't do it because anyway we'll be going to another room now. So after you have unrooted your device, so as you can see the root is not available now. So okay guys, so as we can see we have the tablet here. So now I'll teach you how to install the Allegro ROM. So after you have downloaded the files that I have asked you to download, it's there in the description below. And after you have downloaded them, just open it up. And after you have installed the drivers and all, then open the SP Flash tool and run it. Click on the scatter loading file and load the file. It will be found in wherever you have downloaded it. Go to Allegro ROM, and this is the file, as you can see here, Android scatter. So we'll just open it up. So when we open it, this is what will happen, and then we click on firmware upgrade. So once you do that, as you can see, it's the computer starts searching for the port, and what we got to do now is we have to turn the tablet off. We have to switch off the tablet. Yeah, so once we get the vibration, let's get started. Yeah, we got the vibration. So what we're going to do is keep your thumb here on the volume up button and keep it pressed and connect the wire. So as soon as you do that, your computer will detect it and installs the drivers, and it starts up the process. So as you can see, the process is started, and now it's installing the Allegro ROM. So we'll have to wait for this to complete. So it's pretty simple, as you guys saw. And if your tablet stops working or something, it's the same way you can flash your system official ROM, which was provided by Lenovo. So you can download that. It's there in the package. When you download it, it will be available. It's called the Lenovo A1000 stock ROM. So you can flash it in the similar way. So we have to wait for this to complete, and your tablet will be off during this time. So leave it and try not to shake the wire, because sometimes it so happens that when you shake the wire or something, and then the process suddenly stops. And guys, if you found this video helpful, then do subscribe to my channel and like the video. And one more thing, after you switch to the Allegro ROM, you will not be getting any OTA updates from Lenovo. And anyway, we've just received just one update so far from Lenovo, so it doesn't actually matter. Yeah, so after it's complete, you will be shown this green color symbol, and when it's shown, that means the process is complete. So let's unplug the wire and boot our tablet. Yeah, so it's starting up. So this is how it starts up, and since it's the first boot, it's going to take some time. And this Allegro ROM is actually pre-rooted, so you do not have to root it again. So after it boots up, I'll just show you how Allegro ROM is, a little UI, so you know what's happening. Okay, and I'll just remove my SIM card from this tablet because Allegro ROM starts using up your data. Yeah, it's still booting up. Yeah, so it has started. It starts up with this language in the starting, and we don't have any other choice. And so let's go to English. Yeah, and start. And the status bar is down here. So this is how it works. You just tilt the tablet. Okay, it isn't working as of now. And it's actually fully working for the tablet. Even with the SIM card, it works. I have tested it. So I'll just show you once. Take some time in the starting. Yeah. Okay, let's skip this and goes to the Wi-Fi now. And let me just quickly type in my details. Yeah, so once I've typed my details, I'll just connect it. So it's obtaining the IP address. Let's connect. Don't want. I'll just do this later. Tablet belongs to. Okay, I'll just fill. Yeah, so once it's done, let's go ahead. Google services, yeah, and finish. Yeah, so once we're done with this, I'll just show you how the UI is. Let me just tilt the tablet first. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, this is how the UI is. It's pretty smooth compared to our earlier official ROM by Lenovo. As you can see, it's pretty smooth and nice. It's actually much better than the Lenovo ROM. It does not lag that much and all. You can play your games and all. High-end games work in this pretty fine. Yeah, so that's about it. So this is the Allegro ROM working just fine in the Lenovo tablet. This is how it is. Then and as you can see, there is no system update. It's just 4.1.2, and as you can see, this is A1000T. So it was originally made for A1000T, but it works pretty fine in A1000G because I haven't experienced any error as of now. And as you can see, the internal storage has automatically increased to 1.3 GB, and this is 1 GB. And then the running services, and it takes up very less RAM, and even if it does take up a lot of RAM, it does not make you feel that it's taking up a lot of RAM. In the sense, it works really smooth, and it does not make you feel that okay, this tablet is lagging and all that. You will actually find very little or no lag while using this ROM. I'll just open the browser and load up a website, show you. Okay, let's just go to GSM Arena because that's a pretty heavy website for a phone, and I'm gonna do like pinch to zoom and all that really quick. So see, it's loading up the desktop website, which is pretty heavy, and as you can see, there is very little or no lag. So as you can see, it works pretty fine. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see that it's not showing much of the lag, and you can actually play very high-end games and it will work like superb, like never before. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, after we have configured the Play Store, let's quickly go ahead and open it, and then type in ES File Explorer and install it. And by the time this installs, let me just quickly show you something. So we've come to settings here, and we're going to applications, and here as you can see that it has like 1 GB of space, 1.2 GB to be precise, and then if you check the USB storage, it shows you 1 GB. Okay, so we are going to expand this USB storage from 1 GB to whatever GB SD card you have, but make sure the SD card is of class 6 and above to get a really nice performance. Yeah, so open the ES File Explorer, Okay, I haven't installed the, as you can see, this is a 32 GB, uh, 32 GB memory, and we'll be installing this in the tab. So let's just do that quickly. So okay guys, so after you've done that, now I'll just show you where it comes into settings, storage, and as you can see, this is the SD card, which is 26 GB. So we're going to be converting it to the internal memory now. So open the ES File Explorer, scroll down to Root Explorer, switch it on, and then switch off the gesture. It's up to you. Yeah, but make sure to switch on the Root Explorer. Then come back to device and go to system, and then go to etc, go down, scroll down to this file called volt.fs tab. So we'll just open it now. Open it as a text, ES Note Editor, and options, edit, and be really sure and while entering this, because this can cause a lot of problems. So yeah, so we come to this. So as you can see, this 0 we're gonna make it 1, and this 1 we're gonna make it 0. That's it we need to do. Now go back, and now let's just go back and save it. Click yes, allow, done. We are done. And now I'll just go to settings and show you how it is. So as you can see, this is 1.2 GB, and then the USB storage is still 1 GB, but here's where the magic comes in. You need to reboot the device. Yeah, normal reboot means the normal reboot. Hot boot means a reboot which is really quick, so it's going to restart your device. It's basically not restarting, it just kills the system so that your device boots up again. And recovery is the TWRP recovery. So we'll just do the normal reboot as of now. So we'll just wait for this to start up. And as you can see that it starts up fairly faster compared to your old OS. Yeah, so it started. Now let's, yeah, so let's open it and go to settings, and now go to apps, and you will see this is 1.2 GB again. Swipe and see the magic. It shows 18 GB free and 8.4 GB is being used. So as you can see, we have converted the SD card to the internal memory now. So once you've done that, this is a really fast ROM, and you get unlimited memory now, so you can do a whole lot of stuff now. And so let's just, so go ahead and enjoy your device now. Yeah, last but not the least, it has the TWRP recovery which I mentioned earlier. So let's just go to the recovery and show you how that recovery works. And this is one of the good things, because the recovery because with the Lenovo ROM, what recovery we get isn't that great. So this is what the recovery looks like. So you can back up your system, install another update, or wipe, restore. You can do a whole lot of stuff here in this ROM. So just reboot for now. So this is how it works. And now this is the video showing you how you can use the Allegro ROM. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys next time.